Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Tuesday, March the 26th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address, and don't use that link. Don't use that link. You'll see the link for the new trading room in the email you're getting. I open the room every day at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen. Get live on the mic at about 9:05. Go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. Well, I'm kind of struggling to figure out what I want to talk about today. I mean, I had three little trades today. I mean, this one wasn't so bad, I suppose, the AVYA. It was more like a scalp. But I'm finding that today is a very choppy day. A lot of things like this happening. You look at the SPY. Take a look at the SPY. You know, at the beginning of the day, I mean, this was a big gap up. It gapped up, pulled back, up, pulled back. And it's just kind of chopping around, not really giving like what the things that I'm watching anyway, and also within Holly, a nice trend one way or the other. So seeing a lot of things like that AVYA, you know, again, you know, it looked like we wanted to short this one because this one was up. Let's get the daily chart. You know, it was up yesterday, but I was very intrigued with this one. Look how far down it got though. But you know, before it popped back up. Very intrigued with this one. You see what happened? It popped into the 200-day moving average, came back down. I think there's some, I don't know, I want to say buyout rumors or something like that going on. But look at the gap, the potential gap. I mean, but you know, you always run the risk of all of a sudden the buyout rumors as you're short. Yeah, buyout rumors again. And I think that's the reason for this stock. But anyway, only other one I really want to point out to you is, oh, don't tell me I hope I have the symbol here. Yes, GSVC. GSVC. So why am I pointing this one out? Well, these guys, basically what they do, they're like an portfolio management, it's called, specializing in growth capital. Basically, they do pre-IPO investments and things like that. I do recall them. I cannot remember the name of the stock, though, that they had a piece of way back. It might have even been Facebook. It might have been Facebook, but I'm not sure. Anyway, I guess they've got a little piece of Lyft. And Lyft, of course, is, maybe you don't know this, but Lyft is doing its IPO on Friday. So they have a little piece of Lyft. And, you know, looks like Lyft is going to come in around $60 odd. I don't know. Somebody was talking about, I don't know what the percentage they've got. It might be 7% of their portfolio is Lyft, of their own portfolio. It's not 7% of Lyft. No way. That would be astonishing, but it's not. I think somebody posted that, and I think they were wrong. I think it was actually just 7% of their own portfolio has a stake in Lyft. So you might just want to keep an eye on it, especially, you know, as a run-up. We've been watching it. It's you know, it's a little bit of a pullback. It's having a great day, of course, and I think obviously, you know, most people do know. Most people who follow this stock at all will know that they have a little stake. Part of their portfolio is Lyft, and so, but it's, you know, let's face it, it's not running crazy. You would think it'd be running a little more crazy than it is. But anyway, you might want to just keep an eye on this one. Today's Tuesday. Again, the Lyft IPO is on Friday. Looks like it's coming in, well, the IPO is priced at around $60 odd. There are rumors that it could even open at 80. So we'll have to see. But that's sort of the excitement of the day, really. We had some other ones. I mean, CCL was one that just kept moving. I wish I got into this one right around here. You always wonder, you know, I think what they did is they kind of pre-released their Q2. Basically, they're guiding lower on their Q2 expectations. So this really caused and they came out with that news right there, just in the pre-market. And I'm sorry, this is an earnings play. This is an earnings play. There was another one that did that, sort of did a Q2. But this is an earnings play. And this is exactly when they came out with earnings, just before the market opened. And it's been weak ever since. And you can see on the daily chart, there's really There's really no support now. So this is either going to do one of two things. I mean, yeah, I'm going to really take a stand here. It's either tomorrow going to continue down, or we could get one of those nice down big yesterdays, but a recovery today. So we'll have to see. You have to just, but this, I mean, especially if this closes near the low of the day, because right now the only support is still, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8 away. So we'll have to see what happens with this one tomorrow. I think that RCL in the same sector sort of at the beginning it did the same thing. You have to look at the 15-minute time frame. You see, look what it did. That reacted to the CCL news, and then it bounced. And there was another one. Is it NCLH? I always get these guys mixed up. Good. See, it did the same thing. On the reaction to the CCL news, and then they just bought, and then they really pop back up. Anyway, I want to get back into the room and see what's happening. Again, I'd like to see, maybe, what time is it now? It's 1:20 right now. Maybe somehow the market will pick a direction and start to put a nice surge up or down. I don't care. Just give us a direction as opposed to this kind of meandering, chopping up and down. So let me close down my chart. Bring back the capture program. So if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So hope to see you in there tomorrow. Bye-bye.